How to fix Messenger incoming call not showing on screen. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store or App Store. Now you want to tap on the search bar. Here you want to simply type Messenger and search for that. If you find the update option, go ahead and tap on that. Updating the app is going to fix any bugs in the app. Now you want to launch open your settings. Here scroll down and select apps. A list of all the applications will be shown over here. You simply want to scroll down and find Messenger. Go ahead and select that. Once you have selected it, head over to storage. Now tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on notifications. Here you want to make sure that the notifications is toggled on. Also select notification category and make sure that everything is toggled on, especially calls. Then head back. Now tap on permissions. Here you want to make sure that you have allowed every permission over here. Now launch open Messenger and this problem will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.